Hi Sandra. So this is a mock project we developed for you. This will be the first screen that you will see. This first sheet will have your logo and four different logos, four different icons. All of these icons will be clickable. The first one is a payroll icon. Once you click on weekly payroll, it will take you to the payroll weekly worksheet that you already developed. The only difference is we have added a few buttons and drop downs. The first button is a clear button. This clear button will let you clear all the records. The next one is the insert record. We see that you have added formulas for these columns. So once you click on insert record, a new row would be added with all the formulas in place. You do not have to drag any column to copy the formula. The next is the drop down. The first drop down would allow you to select any month. The next drop down will allow you to select any week. Once you select these two, you can type in all the data and click on submit. It will then store all these data that you have typed in a database sheet. This sheet is used to prepare the monthly sheet as well as a dashboard. Now going back to the first sheet, text is a monthly figures sheet. Once you click on monthly figures, the monthly figure sheet for a particular month would be created, and all this data would be automated. The next would be your yearly figures. Once you click on yearly figures, the yearly figure sheet would be updated from with all the data from the monthly sheet. The next one would be a dashboard. This is the one that we have newly added. Once you click on dashboard, it will take you to a dashboard sheet. In this dashboard sheet, you can select a month, or you can select 3 months or an entire year. That depends on your preference. And then you can see a visual representation of your data from the monthly sheet. So right now we have added only three values here. Since this is a mock sheet, we can go ahead and add all the values from this monthly sheet. Right now we have also given a graph and comparison graph between gross earning, total income, wage cost versus total income. If you need a comparison graph between different values, just let us know and we'll be able to accommodate this. So right now this is the mock sheet that we would be preparing for you. If you have any doubts, queries, or if you want to add new modules, let us know and we'll be able to do so. Thank you.